Welcome back. We are covering number 3 of blockchain, crypto, and DeFi at work. Keep or get a job over the next 20 years. This is critical for you if you feel some job insecurity or you know you're getting ready to lose a job or that the industry that you've been in for the last several years is going away due to what we're facing worldwide. That being said, there's opportunity for you. And this video series will hopefully acclimate you into the world of blockchain, crypto, and DeFi. The first several videos, we cover some of the terminology and definitions. It's a safe place if you have no idea what's going on. Maybe you've heard of Bitcoin or some of these buzzwords that we're talking about here, but want to know a little bit more. This is a safe place for you. If you're a vet, not for you, but it's a good resource for you to be able to provide somebody, a resource and link to the playlist so they can do their homework before they start engaging with you on a level that's closer to yours, right? It's basically to wet their feet a little bit and get them going on it. So feel free to share this if you are a vet. Would love to be able to help you out with this. But before we get started, I'd like you to click the thumbs up, click the subscribe button. If you've been here before, maybe it's time to consider committing to Uncle Paul here. And then also click the alert button so you're notified of future video content that comes out. And then also I will link at the end of the video, a link to the playlist will come up. If this is your first video, you can go ahead and click that playlist and it'll take you from the very first one and let you kind of go through at your own pace. And then also have a link to it in the description of the video. I will also link to the playlist that I'm curating that I have other content providers who talk more in detail and in depth about the industry, blockchain, crypto, and DeFi, and they have some good content there. So I'm always updating that as well. So something else you want to check out after you get through watching this video series. But now the second half of the video is what we're doing is talking about how you can pivot your current skill sets and job into something that has to do with blockchain or crypto or DeFi. Now that you're getting a better understanding of it, how can you then take and leverage this to secure yourself a job or a position with your company or a new company potentially? And so number 3 is offer to write articles in the company newsletter and on the intranet sites. I promise you this, and I'm a journalism major, right? I graduated with a degree in journalism with a broadcast emphasis, even though I'm doing IT project management and healthcare. I know it's crazy, right? That being said, I know, having worked in the news industry, done many internships there, there's always the constant struggle to find good articles and find good people who can write for newspapers. You'd be surprised at how easy, if you have any kind of writing skills at all, how easy it would be for you to kind of get a job in a smaller rag that allows you, that is just looking for people to write the articles, right? But if you have subject matter expertise and you're doing the homework right now, maybe want to write a monthly newsletter and call it Crypto Corner or something like that, and work it out with your company, I guarantee you there's a high likelihood that they'll turn that over to you, right? And so what that does for you, again, it's kind of like the volunteering for projects. This is the same type of thing, right? If you become that trusted subject matter expert, also cover that in another video. You need to listen to those, right? You can maybe work yourself into a position of being the go-to person, right? That's what you want to do, but it's going to take work on your part, right? There's other opportunities for you to have, but again, this is something that's not too difficult for you to do. It shouldn't be, and shouldn't be that time consuming either. But here's where I want to make sure that you're careful on. I want you to read that last paragraph with me. You should make sure that you're prepared and have significant knowledge before jumping into this venture, right? Inevitably, what's going to happen is you're going to be asked for additional information about the subject, about yourself, and hopefully your availability to contribute on future projects. Make sure you're ready, though, before you put yourself out there, right? You can't just go and kind of reword an article you found online and then have a VP ask you about that. You're going to find yourself in trouble and you lose all credibility. That's not the position you want to put yourself in. Make sure you put enough work in, that you know enough about it, and it's okay, because I guarantee you, you're again ahead of the game right now, simply for the fact that you're here listening, you're researching, you're doing due diligence. You're 5 to 7 minutes closer after watching this video towards your 10,000 hours that makes you an expert in something, right? So good job with that. But make sure you're ready before you start putting yourself in that position and positioning yourself as a subject matter expert if you're not ready yet. So that's going to do it for this video. Click the thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and click the alert button. And feel free to share this playlist with other people that could benefit from this. And hopefully you find this useful. Again, I'd appreciate that thumbs up, and we will talk to you on the next video.